Most people spend over $200 fixing a dead battery problem they could have solved for free. And the worst part? Their car was giving them warning signs for weeks. Today you are going to learn how to use AI to diagnose a dead battery, fix it yourself, and never get stranded again. This is Smart AI Mechanic, and by the end of this video, you will know exactly what to do the next time your car refuses to start. Step 1. Recognize the real warning signs. Here is something most beginners do not know. A dead battery does not just happen overnight. Your car warns you days, sometimes even weeks, before it completely dies. The signs are slow engine cranking when you turn the key, dim headlights, electrical accessories acting strange, and a dashboard warning light that most people ignore. The problem is, most car owners do not connect these dots. They think it is just a weird quirk. They keep driving. Then one morning, nothing happens. This is where AI completely changes the game. You can describe these symptoms to an AI diagnostic tool, and within seconds, it will tell you whether your battery is the likely cause or whether it is something else entirely, like your alternator or starter motor. That distinction alone can save you from paying a mechanic to diagnose the wrong problem. Average diagnostic fee at a shop, $80 to $150. With AI, 0. Step 2. Test your battery before you replace it. Here is a mistake that costs people money every single day. They assume their battery is dead, buy a brand new one, and the problem comes back in 2 weeks. Why? Because the battery was not the real problem. Before you spend a single dollar, you need to test your current battery. You can buy a simple battery tester online for around $15 to $20. Connect the red clamp to the positive terminal and the black clamp to the negative terminal. The tester will give you a reading. A healthy battery reads between 12.4 and 12.7 volts when the car is off. Anything below 12 volts means your battery is weak or dying. Now here is the AI advantage. Take that reading and type it into an AI assistant. Tell it the voltage, your car's make, model, and year, and describe what your car is doing. The AI will analyze the information and tell you whether you need a full replacement or just a recharge. This one step could save you $150 to $200 on a battery you did not actually need. Step 3. Jump-start it the right way. If your battery is completely dead, you need a jump start. Most people think they know how to do this. Most people are doing it wrong. The wrong order of connecting cables can damage your car's electronics, and modern cars have very sensitive computer systems that can be fried by a simple mistake. Here is the correct order. Red cable to the dead battery positive terminal. Red cable other end to the good battery positive terminal. Black cable to the good battery negative terminal. Black cable other end to an unpainted metal surface on the dead car, not the battery itself. Start the working car first. Let it run for 2 minutes. Then try starting the dead car. If you are unsure at any point, describe your exact setup to an AI assistant. It will walk you through it step by step based on your specific vehicle. And this matters because some hybrid and electric vehicles have completely different jump-start procedures. Getting it wrong can cause damage worth thousands of dollars. Step 4. Decide whether to recharge or replace. After a jump start, your battery may recharge itself as you drive. But sometimes it will not hold a charge at all. Drive for at least 30 minutes after a jump start. Then test the voltage again. If the voltage is back above 12.4, your battery likely just needed a boost. If it drops below 12 again, it is time for a replacement. A new battery typically costs between $80 and $200 depending on your car. You can install it yourself in about 15 minutes with basic tools. Use AI to find the correct battery size and type for your exact vehicle. This prevents the very common mistake of buying the wrong battery and having to return it. Bonus tip: set a battery health reminder. Most car batteries last 3 to 5 years. Ask an AI assistant to help you set a reminder every 6 months to check your battery voltage. This one habit will prevent you from ever getting stranded unexpectedly. You can also ask AI to build you a simple car maintenance checklist tailored to your specific vehicle. It takes 2 minutes and can save you thousands over time. Conclusion. So to wrap it up, your car warns you before the battery dies. AI helps you identify the real problem fast. Testing before replacing saves you real money. Jump-starting correctly protects your car. And a simple maintenance habit keeps you on the road. If this video saved you from an expensive mistake, hit the like button right now. Subscribe for more AI-powered car tips every week, and drop a comment below telling us about a car problem you want us to tackle next. Remember, you do not need to be a mechanic to take care of your car. You just need the right tools and the right information. And now you have both.